Continue our chapter probability and exercise 1.1. Right now we are taking question number 9. Two students are selected at random from the first 5 natural numbers. The sum of two selected number is at least 6 is denoted by event A, and the sum of two selected number is even is denoted by event B. Write the sets showing the following event and answer the following question. And first of all we have to find U, that is sample space. So students, first we will find sample space, that is U. Now students, what is given? How many numbers is given to us? First 5 natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And from these numbers we have to select 2 numbers. So what are the outcomes? How we can select 2 numbers? We can take 1, 2. Next 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Next 2, 3, 2, 3, then 2, 4, 2, 4, then 2, 5. Next 3, 4. Next 3, 5, 3, 5, and the last one is 4, 5. So these are the total outcomes. Now students, what is given in the question about event A? The sum of two selected number is at least 6 is denoted by event A. So students, here we have to see the total of the numbers which we have selected, and it should be at least 6. Here 3, total is 4, then 5 and 6. It means from here we can take. So event A, which numbers will come where the total is at least 6? So first is 1, 5, then 2 plus 3, that is 5, it means not 6, so we cannot take. Next is 2, 4, 2, 4. Next 2, 5. Next 3, 4. Next 3, 5, and the next one is 4, 5. So these are event A. Now event B. What is given in the question? The sum of two selected number is even is denoted by event B. It means total should be even. So here 1 plus 3, 2, that is 3, so odd number. 1 plus 3, total is 4, it means even number. So first one is 1, 3. Next 1 plus 4, 5, odd number. 1 plus 5, 6, even number. 2 plus 3, 5, again odd. 2 plus 4, even number, 6. 2, 5, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 5, that is 8. And again 4 plus 5, 9. So we cannot take. So these are the outcomes of event B. Now students, what we have to find? We have to find A union B. हाँ ठीक है. A union B, it means A's outcomes are 1, 5, then 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, and union of B's, that is 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 5. These are the outcomes of event B. Now students, we have to find the union of these two. So we have to see 1, 5, we have to write all the outcomes which are coming in these two events, but we have to see no outcome should be repeated. So 1 5, then 2 4, 2 5, 3 4, 3 5, 4 5. Next 1 3 we have not taken earlier, so we will take it. Next 1 5, now it's repeating, we will not take it again. Next 2 4 again repeating, and 3 5 again repeating. So these are the outcomes of A union B. Now students will find A intersection B. A intersection B. So here students, we will see which are the common outcomes among these two events. So here we can see which are the common event. 1 5 is repeating, 2 4 is repeating, and 3 5 is repeating. So A intersection B is equals to 1 5, then 2 4, and 3 5. Next students, we have to find A dash, that is complementary event of A. Now students, complementary event of A, it means outcomes which are there in the sample space but not there in A. So students, first of all we will start from the outcomes of sample space U. So 1 2 is not there in event A, so we will write it here. Next 1 3, 1 4, again it's not there. 1 5 is there. Next one is 2 3. Next 2 4 is there. 2 5, 3 4, 3 5, 4 5. So all these events were there. So complementary event of A is equals to which outcomes are there? 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, and 2 3. Next we have to find difference event of A. So here students, which outcomes we have to take here? For difference event, we have to take the outcomes which are there in A but not there in event B. So here students, we will compare outcome 1 5. 1 5 is there in both event A and B, so we cannot take. Next is 2 4, again it is there in event A and event B. Next is 2 5. So here students, what we are seeing, 2 5 is there in A but not there in event B, so we will write here. So first one is 2 5. Next 3 4, 3 4, again it's there in event A but it is not there in event B. So 3 4. Next 3 5 is there in both the event. Next one is 4 5. So these are the outcomes of difference event of A and B. Next students, what we have to find? Complementary event of A and its intersection with B. Now students, this we can calculate. Two formulas are there with us. First, what we can do, what we have to find? Complementary event of A and its intersection with B. It means A dash intersection B. So here already we have found, that is A dash complementary event of A already we had calculated, and we can compare it with event B and we can find the intersection. We have to find intersection. So here we can compare outcomes of A dash and event B. So we will see which outcomes are common. So we will start with event B. 1 3, here 1 3 is there, so we can write. Next 1 5, 1 5 is not there, so we cannot write. Next is 2 4, 2 4, again it's not there, and the last one is 3 5. 3 5, again it is not there. So this is the answer of A dash intersection B. And another one more formula is there with us. So which formula? That is, we can find it with B minus A intersection B. Through it also we will find, so it will be easy for you to understand. B. Now students, which is the event B? Here we have to compare event B with intersection of A, B. So here students, these are the outcomes of event B and these are the outcomes of event A intersection B, and we have to compare these two events. So it here difference is there. It means we have to write only those outcomes which are there in event B but not there in event A intersection B. So here students will compare 1 3 1 3. It is not there in event A intersection B, so here we will write 1 3. Next 1 5 1 5, it's repeating, we cannot take. Next 2 4 2 4, again it's repeating. Next is 3 5 and 3 5, so we cannot write. It means here we can compare the answer. So here also 1 3 and here also we are getting 1 3, so we can apply any of these two formulas and we can find the intersection. So I hope students these type of questions are clear to you, and you can calculate the other question also and you can practice.